What can you accomplish with Facebook ads? Facebook ads offers you many ways to create successful promotions. We are going on a tour to check the tools found on Facebook for business advertising to help your business grow enormously and guarantee you even more opportunities, traffic, and customers with a few clicks. Page post engagement ads. When you run a page post engagement ad, it will reach more people and get them to see, like, comment on, or share your page on Facebook, helping to reach those people's friends, which is more organic traffic, keeping them up to date depending on their location, age, gender, and interests. This way you can engage those people with follow-up posts to reach your business goals faster. Page like ads. When people like your page, their friends are more likely to be interested in what you have to offer. Make campaign ads to be shared on the main page of every single person you reach on Facebook. When their friends like your ads, you'll get more likes to your page, and it is a great way to increase community traffic to your page. Clicks to website ads. On Facebook, you can run an ad that can be featured with a photo or a video, and even include special buttons for your audience to learn more or to go to the shop. Running an ad to drive more people to your website is a good way for people to discover the products and services that you're offering. Website conversions. You may track certain actions to your sites with website conversion ads because they allow you to create a pixel to add to your website. When you're ready, copy the code and paste it within the head and / headlines on your page. Save and exit. You can also send the HTML code to a third party. You can start writing as people arrive to the web page. App install and engagement ads. You may run an ad for your app so people can see it in their newsfeed, install it, and grow your user base. They just need to click on your ad to get it instantly available on their PCs, Android, or iOS mobile devices. More than 700 million people visit Facebook on their PCs, phones, and tablets every day, so this tool can get the most out of your application. Event response ads. With an event response ad, you can let people know about your grand opening, party, or other special event with the Facebook ad tool. When someone clicks your event ad, they can choose to either join the event or learn more about it. When this information is updated by Facebook, you may start tracking traffic for a successful event. Offer claim ads. People can claim your offers, so you can encourage customers to get to your store by giving them a discount or deal that they can claim from your website. Just choose the right audience and set the terms, like how many people can claim it and how long the offer will last. This way you can grow your business. Video views. Promote videos that show behind-the-scenes footage, product launches, or customer stories to raise awareness for your brand. You may choose a thumbnail for people to see or add a description. You can do all of this from your own business webpage. Local awareness ads. Traditional ways of advertising can't reach customers the way Facebook can. This tool will help you teach people about your offline business, whether in your local area or any other location that you set up on Facebook at any time. The carousel format. This format allows you to promote what you want in an interactive format with a low cost. You can use a single image or video. Your ad will be like a story, and this story will develop across each carousel card. Plus, you can showcase multiple products with a single ad or tell your story. Dynamic ads. With these ads, you can focus on your more relevant products and promote them to people that know who you are. You can target the public that has been to your site, your mobile app, or your Facebook and Instagram networks. Dynamic ads for travel. These ads give you the opportunity to show your ads to people that had demonstrated an interest in visiting your website or your mobile app. The dynamic ads are focused on travels. If someone has seen the pages of reservations for hotels or purchased a flight, the dynamic ads let you target this person through relevant ads with specific dates and destinations. Slideshow ads. These ads are lighter than a normal video. They are easy to digest for the person who observes them. They don't have to see a long video to know who you are and know your story, so you will connect easily with the public to meet your objective. Lead ads. Facebook's lead ads grant a quick and private way to sign up to receive information from businesses such as offers, newsletters, and quotes. You can fully customize your form with open-ended questions, multiple choice questions, and contact fields to collect the information that matters most to your business. People can fill these forms with the information from their Facebook profiles. Canvas ads. Canvas ads are an interactive way to tell your brand's story using a combination of videos, images, and call-to-action buttons. It allows the user to have a fun tour through a carousel of images and, seeing panoramic images, zoom them in and check the details. You can showcase your products and have complete creative control over it to achieve any objective.